Hey, this is Mike. Okay, so we're starting to get pretty advanced with our WordPress site. We've added images, we've added text, we've added links, and now what we want to do is we want to make it really multimedia. We're going to add video. So there are a couple of ways to add video. If your video is on YouTube, it's a really simple process. So let me go ahead and go to the YouTube site, and I can find a video that I would like. Let's go ahead and find something about Darwin. Okay, so here's a scene from a documentary. And now I'll pause that. You'll see that there's a URL at the top in the address bar. I'm going to, oops, I pasted instead of copied. I'm going to copy this link, and now I'm going to go to, let me turn that off. I'm going to go back to my WordPress site. I'm going to click Edit Page where I would like the video to appear. And somewhere in here, I will just paste that link and click Update. And now when I view the page, that video is automatically embedded in my page. And now the problem with that is it's very finicky. So I'm going to edit the page. And now you'll notice that here's my link. And if I looked at my text editor, I would see that here's that link to YouTube, and there's nothing around it. If I accidentally pasted this into a place where there were code, this is just paragraph code, P, less than P, greater than, starts a paragraph, less than / P, greater than, ends the paragraph. So once I do that, if I update that, and I view the page, now you'll notice the hot link is no longer working. So you can't have any code around it, around that link if you want it to work just as it is. So let me go back into the page, and if you're brave, you can just delete any code that surrounds that YouTube link, update that, view the page, and it'll work again. So that's the first way to add a video. Now the second way to add a video gives you a little bit more control, but it's a little bit more difficult. So I'm going to go back to that YouTube video, and you'll notice that there's a share button here at the bottom. If there's not a share, it means that the person who uploaded the video is not letting you embed the video. But you'll notice once you click on share, you'll see embed, and there should be embed codes like on YouTube, Vimeo, a bunch of other sites that have videos will also allow you to embed. And you'll see this iframe code that it wants you to grab. And you can change the video size if you like. So let's choose 560 by 315, that's good. And now I'm just going to copy this code that's in this box here. And you can do things like tell it not to show suggested videos when the video finishes. That's nice if you don't want it to recommend stuff after they've watched your video. And now I'll go back to edit my page, and I'll go back to the visual editor. I can't paste that embed code into the visual editor, so you'll have to go into the text area, but it's confusing with all that text. So here's a hint that my colleague Pablo gave me. He says to go ahead and in your code, in your text visual editor, do something like video goes here, right? And then when you switch to the text editor, you can find that area really easily where it says video goes here. So you can just select that text and paste your iframe into that area and click update. Click on the visual, and now you should see this nice little yellow box that's telling you that there's an iframe in there. And then when you view the page, you notice that this video is a lot nicer sized a lot nicer sized for your page than the other one was, because the other one was just deciding on the size of the page. So that's how you add a video, either the easy way or the harder but more customizable way to your WordPress.